Ever felt like your teeth are auditioning for the role of background extras in your selfies? Or like your smile might be mistaken for a filter vintage sepia? Fear not, my friends, because today, I'll guide you to the VIP section of perfect pearly whites. Welcome to How to Whiten Your Teeth, your ultimate backstage pass to dazzling confidence and compliments. White teeth aren't just a cosmetic upgrade. They are your secret weapon. Picture this: first impressions, nailed it. Your favorite outfit, glowing even brighter. And let's not forget the bonus of being mistaken for a toothpaste model in casual conversation. Who doesn't want that? So buckle up for tips, tricks, and maybe a few laughs, cause a brighter smile is only a few steps away. Let's make your teeth the MVP of your face. The beauty about this process is that it's simple and only requires 2 ingredients. Hold on, I also have more tricks you can use to whiten your teeth at the end of this process. So stick around. Let's hop in. Ingredient number 1, bicarbonate of soda. You can use baking soda, however, it's slightly different. Ingredient number 2, lemon or lime. Nah, what you do is that you scoop a flat tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda and crush on a plate. The bicarbonate of soda can be a little bit lumpy, and we want the particles as fine as possible. Then cut the lemon into halves and squeeze on the bicarbonate of soda and watch the mixture fizzle. Mix the two to form a paste, which should be a little bit thick. Use it to brush your teeth only once a week. You don't want it to damage your enamel. I must also admit that it doesn't really taste that nice, but the results are worth it, I tell you. Here are some more effective at-home teeth whitening tips for a brighter smile. 1. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste, and gently brush your teeth. Baking soda can help remove surface stains and whiten teeth over time. 2. Rinse dilute hydrogen peroxide with an equal amount of water and swish it around your mouth. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that can help whiten teeth, but it should be used sparingly to avoid irritation. 3. Brushing with activated charcoal powder or toothpaste can help pull stains off your teeth, though its effectiveness varies from person to person. 4. Use apple cider vinegar as a diluted mouthwash. Occasionally it can help clean and whiten teeth, but overuse might affect enamel. 5. Opt for over-the-counter whitening strips or whitening toothpaste for a safe and convenient solution. 6. Strawberries and apples contain malic acid, which can naturally help whiten teeth when consumed. 7. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 10-15 minutes can remove toxins and might improve the appearance of your teeth. Keep in mind that while these methods can be helpful, they work best alongside good oral hygiene practices like regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. Which of these tips do you find intriguing? I could help you dive deeper into how they work. And that's it. Achieving a brighter, whiter smile at home is not just about looks, it's about confidence, self-care, and feeling your best every day. Remember, consistency and good oral hygiene are key, so stick with these tips and you'll be flashing that radiant smile in no time. Thank you for joining me on this journey to healthier teeth and a happier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more simple, effective home care hacks. Let's keep spreading smiles. Until next time, take care and keep shining bright, 'cause you deserve to feel amazing, inside and out.